Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create custom loadouts in Hunt Showdown. To do this, we'll need to click on the roster, then let's recruit a new hunter. You don't need to do that, you can do it on basically any other hunter. I just want to create it on a brand new hunter. Then we can equip our hunter with whichever weapon we like. So for example, let's de-equip this one. You can also add custom ammo to your weapons. Now when your loadout is ready, you can create and save it by clicking on the custom loadout right here. Then pick whichever loadout option you have that it's empty and select save. That way you'll save your loadout that was currently equipped on that hunter, and now each time you recruit new one, you'll be able to buy this loadout for him. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.